It helps with your blemishes, like the clearing of this. When I'm having like these breakouts, I usually use this twice. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be showing you my morning skincare routine. Yeah guys, I'm going to be showing you my morning skincare routine that I use for my face. I'm having breakouts on my face, as you can see over here as well. So I follow, when I'm having such breakouts, I also get breakouts here because I have like curly hair. So when my hair comes out, it's usually, I get some, I don't know, I'm having hormonal acne because of the stress, everything, all that's going on with everything around here, you know, adjusting to life here in Germany. So I thought, guys, I would share with you my simple morning face routine for pigmentation and just keeping a clear face. As you know, I don't wear makeup, so it's very important that my face stays clear of pigmentations because it shows, like you see. Yeah, and I think felt the hair over here. Oh my god, I'm turning into a man. So guys, I'm going to show you the 3 ingredients. This is a very simple skincare routine that anybody can follow. I'm using 3 ingredients. I use 3 products. These are the only products I look at other people's skincare routines and I'm like, oh my god, that's a lot. I'm very simple. I don't like to use a lot of stuff. I don't like to do a lot of stuff. I like to make my programs or my skin challenges to be like simple, to the point, so that I can keep up with it. So I hope somebody will be able to find this useful. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. So the products that I use are Cereve Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I love this product, guys. I know there's a lot of hypes about Cereve and all that stuff, people making videos about this, but this is legit, guys. It has niacinamide in it, and it also has, I can't pronounce this very well, but it's hyaluronic acid in it, and it has got very good essential ingredients. It's fragrance free and it does not clog your pores. That's very important. For whatever reason, my pores easily get clogged up, so I really love this. I've been using it for a while, and I use niacinamide with plus zinc 1% from the Ordinary brand. I love this stuff. I've been using their products now for almost a year or something over that, and it really is nice. It helps with my breakouts. It helps thin your pores, like shrink your pores, and doesn't of course clog your pores as well. I don't, you know, so that's a good thing. And it has, so here it says high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula, and it also helps with your blemishes, like the clearing of this. When I'm having like these breakouts, I usually use this twice a day. I'll use it in the morning and then I'll use it at night. I'll show you my process of how I do everything. And then I use my favorite Clarins. You know, guys, I love my Clarins product. I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Can you guys see? This is, I don't know how to focus it. Okay. This is Clarins. I love Clarins multi-active day cream. With it has 20% sunscreen SPF of 20. It's really nice. It's not too much, and every time I hate putting sunscreen, the actual sunscreen, on my face. Never just been accustomed to that. So this I find is easy for me to do because then I don't have to do it. So I usually just put this in the morning. This is my morning lotion, my cream actually. I put this on and it's good. It's good for anti-aging, and also it targets fine lines, and it has really good products, ingredients in it, guys. And it keeps your skin soft, and it doesn't make my face as oily as well. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do it. I'll put a picture to show clearly these products. And I bought this here because for whatever reasons, guys, this is not cheap. I paid It's like in the US it's about 61 or 63, somewhere there. I don't know, 58, 60, somewhere there for the cream. And you know, for my face, I will pay a little bit of money for it, but it lasts for a long time. One of these will last me for over 6 months. So I feel like if you do the math, so this is how it looks like, and it smells really good. If you do the math, it's worth it. It smells really good. So I bought this one here in Germany. It was a bit expensive here in Germany. I paid 61 euro for the cream, and this is how many ounces? I don't know. Yeah, it's about 1.7 ounces. So it's, you know, but for the face it works, and I will keep it for a long time, 6 months, 7 months before I replace it. And yeah, guys, I really love this stuff. This is the holy grail. If you can afford to buy this, buy it, guys. But if this doesn't work, you can replace it with whatever you use, or Vaseline, or whatever, or Cereve facial lotion, whatever you would like to use. But this is what works for me, and I've been using it for a while, and I really love it. So guys, let me not talk too much. Let's get to it. So what I do first is pull my hair back, okay? And then I'm going to wet my face. I need to wait for the water to be hot. Okay. So I do like maybe 2 pumps, and then I usually don't scrub my face in the morning, you know, like exfoliate my face with like, because I feel like, because you're exposing your face to the sunlight and all the other, so you don't want your pores to be open and all that stuff. So I just feel like exfoliation on your face should be done in the evening, like at night before you go to bed, because then you'll be sleeping for like 8 hours. So hence your skin can easily heal and do all that stuff. So in the morning, I just use this cleanser. I rub it on my face in circles, my forehead. I never really get pigmentation on my forehead. Usually for me, my pigmentation starts here, which is weird. So I usually like that, and then I'll rinse it out. Oh, ooh, the water is hot. Ouch, this is hot. Okay, cool down water. So after I wash my face, I go ahead and use my niacinamide plus zinc 1%. So I usually just do like like that, and then I put maybe like 2 pumps, and then I do that. I just dab this on my face. And also, guys, I learned a secret from one of my close friends, and she taught me that what you do to your face, do to your neck. You know, because I always used to tell her, well, your neck looks so nice. And she was like, I just do it exactly the ingredients I put on my face, on my neck, which makes sense, because if we're doing anti-wrinkle or anti-blemishes and all that stuff, why not use the same products on your neck? Because your neck is just as soft as your face, your neck skin. So I followed her routine and it's working, and I really love it. You know, we learn new things every day, guys. So I fan it down. I fan it down so that it can clear. So the next step, my serum is dry. It's my skin has sucked it in. So I'm going to put my cream. This is like how much I use. You see this, guys? It's not that much, but it's just a little. And then I just do this, that. I'm going to put here. So, actually, Clarins says you dab it in, but you know, I rub it in. There's one thing I do not play with, guys, is my face. I do not put any extra stuff on my face, because once that is gone, it is gone. So then I do this, and then of course because I rarely wear anything. I like when my eyebrows are done, like I got them done right now, I would just walk like this like the whole day. If I'm going somewhere, I just dress up. If I'm going for something important, then I'll put my eyeliner or my brow liner. But yeah, and it goes in your skin really fast, guys. So this is like my simple. This was my simple 3 skin care routine, and I also use this Aqua. Is it Aqua? A lip repair. You buy it from CVS. And I've had this one for a long time. It's even, okay, it's still there. And I just moisturize my lips. Because for whatever, this was my skincare routine for the morning for pigmentation, and also you know, just to get ready. It's simple and easy. Anybody can do it. I believe you don't need to do the extra stuff that a lot of people do to their face, 50 products at once. This is simple. Anybody can do it. It's fail proof. I follow through it, and when I follow it to a T, and I also do my night routine, guys, my face is flawless. It really looks really nice. So I'll show you, my next video will be me showing you my nighttime routine, so at least you guys know what I do with it. I mean, what I use and the products that I use for my face. So yeah, guys, this is one I really like. So I'm done, and I'll begin the day. So that was my simple skincare routine for the morning, and it's only 3 ingredients. Like I said, anybody can do it. You see how my face looks? It's not oily. It's just because I like it like this. I like my face to be, you know, moisturized and all that stuff. And guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. And thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.